The next series of fronts making their way to the Western Cape, with the first one arriving on Tuesday, another two on Thursday, and yet again on Friday. So here's what you can expect. Before midday, the next front will move over the Western Cape, bringing scattered showers mainly here over the southwestern areas. This front will also quickly weaken, only to bring isolated showers for the surrounding areas, the Overberg, as well as a few isolated evening showers likely in parts of the Eastern Cape, and early the morning drizzle possible over the northern areas of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as in the Lowveld of Mpumalanga. Ahead of that front, a northwesterly wind blowing fresh here along the coast of the Western Cape. Fresh winds also picking up over the parts of the Cape provinces, and especially in the Karoo, and a windy Tuesday afternoon for the eastern areas of the Free State. Where it's sunny, you can still expect a good to average PV harvest over the central and eastern areas of South Africa, but it's quite poor where it's cloudy in the west, as well as due to cloudy skies in the Lowveld. Cloudy in the Western Cape, and the wind picking up ahead of the next front over the southwestern areas. Keep in mind this front's quickly fizzling out, but still bringing scattered showers over already saturated ground in parts of Cape Town, as well as the western areas of the Wineland. Ahead of that front's windy over parts of the Karoo, it's still quite cool to cold, with maximum temperatures only peaking in the mid-teens. Later, the wind blowing along the southern coastline with 19 degrees in Gqeberha. Cloudy and windy later over parts of the Eastern Cape, and we're also expecting that northwesterly wind to pick up in Kumani, Kua, as well as Matatiele. It's still quite cold in the Eastern Cape with only 16 degrees in those areas, but temperatures reaching 20 degrees along the coast. It's a sunny and dry day for KwaZulu-Natal. Cold at first in Kokstad, temperatures in the mid-20s along the coast, and foggy at first in Ulundi as well as Vryheid. Later, windy over the northern areas, dropping to freezing level in Standerton. Foggy and cloudy at first in the Lowveld of Mpumalanga, but then into the afternoon, temperatures over there peaking in around the mid-20s, as well as in the Lowveld of Limpopo. Some foggy patches over the interior, later 23 in Polokwane. A freezing start to your day for parts of northwest, and then light frost in places. Later, a sunny and comfortable winter's afternoon for the northern areas of South Africa. But in the Northern Cape, we're expecting lots of cloud and cold conditions over the central and southern areas. Later, the wind also blowing over the Karoo, with maximum temperature remaining in the mid-teens and only peaking at about 20 over the northern areas. Light frost on Tuesday morning over the interior of the Free State. Later, a sunny but still quite a chilly winter's afternoon. Cold at first yet again in Gauteng, only 1 in Johannesburg, dropping to freezing level in Vereniging. Later, a sunny afternoon, and 23 for Pretoria. On Wednesday, ahead of the next month, we're expecting a few light showers in the Western Cape and lots of fog expected over parts of the Cape provinces. Sunny skies for the eastern areas and central parts of South Africa. And then on Thursday, we've got two cold fronts fizzling together to bring more scattered showers for parts of the Western Cape, and windy conditions ahead of that front over the central as well as the eastern areas of South Africa. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.
Introducing the Volta 700X portable power station, your ultimate companion for power on the go, and compact utility for camping, home or office. Stay connected.